We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yes, I will teach you the chords of the We Wish You a Merry Christmas. This is from Philippines, teaching you how to guitar to play the song titled We Wish You a Merry Christmas. This is the song. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yeah. First chords, I will tell you. The first is G. G is this in second fret of number 5 or letter A, apple. Then third fret, next is number 6 or A, eagle. This third fret, 1, 2, 3. Then 1, E, eagle 2, a third fret. So that is the G or this. Yeah. This or this. What you want to do in your hands to put in the guitar, pick chords. That's the first chords in this song. G. The next is C. This is the C. Letter C. C is 2, 4, 5. First fret here, then third fret here, at the number 4 in the second fret, then 5 in the third fret. That is letter C, or this one, or this one. So G the first, the second is C, then the next one, the third chord is A7. This is the A7. Letter A, A7. A7 is almost in the second fret. Then the first chords, the first string is 2 in the second fret, then 4 in the second fret. So that is letter A7. That is the third chords. So these are the chords that G, C, A7. Then the fourth chords is D. D is second fret, 1 and 3, then third fret and 2. That is a letter D. D. So G, C, A7, D. Then the next chords is A major 7. This is the A major 7. Third fret, second fret is 3, almost 3. 1, 4, 1, 3, 5. 1, 1, 3, 3, 5. Then first fret is number 4, like this. And that is the fifth chords, and the sixth chords is simply A minor. A minor. That is the A minor, 5 and 4 in the second fret. 1, 2. Then the next one is C, back to C, back to D, then last is G. So I will slow move that chords in the easy way. This is the chords. That is, follow it. Then I will play the song, so you will follow. This is it. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The string, you must do the stringing, the strumming is like this. We wish you a Merry Christmas. No, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I think this is one. this is the basic chords. So we wish you a Merry Christmas. So hope you like it and you love this kind of tutorials, this video that I teach to you now. So what's up? Good morning, and this is the end of this video. Peace out, yo. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry